we've got negative 4 times 3 minus 8 minus 6 times 2 minus 5. We've got to follow the order of operations PEMDAS, which says that the first thing we do is parentheses, then we do exponents from left to right. So we go from left to right, we do parentheses, exponents, then we multiply or divide, and then we add or subtract. So parentheses, exponents, multiply or divide, add or subtract. Left to right, left to right. Okay. So we look through this and we start with parentheses. Do we see any parentheses in this expression? Right. So I see one here, and inside there's a 3 minus 8. What can we do with that 3 minus 8? Yeah. So change the subtraction to 3 plus negative 8. Blam blam. 3 plus negative 8. 3 good guys, 8 bad guys makes? 5. Negative 5. Yep. And so we just write it out again. That times that. And as we're going from left to right, there's another parentheses. The 2 minus 5. What can we do with 2 minus 5? Yeah, plus negative. 2 plus negative 5. 2 good guys, 5 bad guys. 2 positives, 5 negatives makes? 3 bad guys. Negative 3. Yep. And so we've gone through, we've figured out stuff to do inside this parenthesis, stuff to do inside this parenthesis. And now, look, there's nothing to do inside of any parentheses. So that means our parentheses are done, right? Thinking about order of operations. Now, thinking about the order of operations, do we have any exponents to take care of? That's the little squares and the cubes. No exponents, so that's fine. Now, have we got multiplication or division to do? Yeah. 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 Negative 4 times negative 5, which makes? Positive 20. And then we have minus 6 times negative 3. What do we do with that? Well, you can change the minus into plus negative if you want to. Yeah. 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 Correct, yeah. So you can change subtract to plus negative if you want to. So it's plus negative 6 times negative 3, which makes positive 18, right? And now we've taken care of our multiplications. There's no division, so that's done. And have we got adding and subtracting to do? Well, 20 plus 18. Yeah, 20 plus 18. And that gives us 38. Yeah. And so now that's done, right? And so we've gone through our order of operations and we've done everything. And that's our answer. That's correct. So one point, I guess, is at that point where we had the, the negative 4 times negative 5, then we had subtract 6 times negative 3. So this is obviously a negative times negative, positive 20. I hope that's obvious. Some students get confused on this. Well, is that a subtract or is it a negative? Subtract is negative. It's the same thing. It doesn't matter. You can just look at that and go, hey, that's just negative 6 times negative 3, and that makes plus 18. All right, so you don't have to put in the plus negative there. You can if you want to. You don't have to. And the reason I do it is because students like that. They like to remember that you can change a subtraction to plus negative if you want to. Subtract plus negative are the same thing. If it makes sense, if it helps you, do it. If not, it doesn't matter. Right? So in any case, good work.